We will be using the Cafe website template as an example to replace text. This will be the same process for all the other Google site templates we have available. Replacing text by typing in your content is a straightforward process. Simply select your text, delete and start typing. Here we are renaming one of the subheadings. Follow by making some changes to the information in the body text. It is as simple as that. This is the same process as you would do with a word processing document. Next, we will make changes on the Cafe menu page. We will copy and paste document text and format it. I have some text already copied, and here I'm finding a section to slot it into. Press Ctrl-V on the PC or Command-V on the Mac to paste text. Notice the formatting does not look correct. You can correct this by selecting the text. Go up to the vertical ellipsis button on the far right of the text toolbar and expand it. You will see an icon with a T with an angle slash. Press this button to clear out any formatting carried over from the document you have copied from. Now we are ready to format the text to look consistent with the rest of the body copy. I'll select the word salads and change the style from normal text to subheading. You will notice this style is the same as the other subheading in this site. Then I'll remove the bullet points on each line. Select the text and set them to italics. Here I will clean up the text so that it looks the same as the rest of the Cafe menu. To save time, I will speed up this section of the video. At this point, when I press enter just after the $6 in the description line, the line spacing in between is higher. In some cases, you may encounter this spacing difference. As you can see with the comparison I have highlighted, this is what we call a hard return. To fix this, I'll return the text to its previous position. Then I'll hold down the Shift key and press enter or return. This creates a soft return and reduces the line spacing. The line spacing is still slightly different as the rest of the copy. Before we fix this, I will set a soft return for the rest of the section. I'll select part of the text from the template to check the line spacing parameters. Go back to the vertical ellipsis button to expand. On the right, you will see the line and paragraph spacing icon. When you click on it, this indicates the line spacing is 1.5. Comparing this to the other section of the text, you will see that it is 1.25. I'll set our additional text line spacing to 1.25. The same as the other sections in the text. And there you go. The text has the same formatting as the rest of the page. This menu is complete. Next, I will show you how you can paste text without carrying the formatting from your copied documentation. We will go to the About Us page. I have my text already copied. As an example, I'll delete and paste by pressing Ctrl-V on the PC or Command-V on the Mac without any formatting. Same as what we saw with the menu page, this formatting is not correct. I will undo this and paste the text by holding down Ctrl-Shift-V on the PC or Command-Shift-V on the Mac. Notice the formatting follows the same parameters as what we previously had in the body copy. And that is how you can easily replace your text in our web templates.